let's take a look at this, right? By the way, before we start, right, this session, even though we are going to do a lot of questions, but at any point of time you feel tired, you want to take a break, just let me know. Is that okay? Just say like some crazy Pokemon come out and then you want to catch, right? You just say, Mr. Deng got new Pokemon, I want to catch. Okay, can, fine. Just a short while. I'm okay with that. Okay? Can? No worries. And then as we go along, you have any questions, just let me know. Right? Just let me know and then we can pause for a short while. Right? So what's the objective of this class? Now the objective of this class is for me to go through as many types of questions as possible so that hopefully some of them will appear and I think most of them is going to be very, you should be very familiar, right, with a lot of the questions. Have you done a lot of questions already in school? How many papers have you done in school? A lot. So uncountable, cannot count. It's too many to count. Okay, good. So that's the way, because now how many more weeks do you have to PSLE? Do you do a countdown? Never do countdown? Okay, never mind, right? But I can tell you it's quite close. It's quite near. Right? You know that time is coming? Okay, very good. By the way, which secondary school do you plan to go to? I don't remember if I asked you. Huh?
My parents want me to go to Geylang first, but I don't want to go there.
Why? Far away. Your best friend not there. How about Odelia? Where is she going? No idea. Okay, I'm gonna ask her, right? Then how about yourself? You don't any preference so far? No. Okay, you just know what you don't want. Okay. But do you tell your parents you don't want to go there? No, then tell them lah. What's stopping you from telling them?
I tried.
You tried. What do you say? You raise your hand, or you say I don't want.
Yeah, then they just forced to say must go there.
Must go there. Okay, I don't know what's the reason. Maybe we can ask your mom, right? Okay, so you can see the screen over here. This is the question, right? Then we have another screen over here. These are actually some hints, to help us. Is Google. Basically, this side is Google, right? That will help us see what is applicable, and then because as we are going through the question, we also want to go through like the facts, the things that you need to know. Okay, to be able to do questions like that. All right. Okay. Can? So we're going to go through now, right? So let's take a look at this particular question. Diagram shows the life cycle of a plant. State one of the difference between the way the plant obtains food in X. So X is over here. You can see X. And stage Y. Right? You can tell me first. What do you think is the difference?
Obtains fruit from the seed leaf, and the plant obtains fruit from sun.
Very good. Okay, so let's just type it out. Okay, you can write out. So stage X. Oops. Okay, so we say in stage X, food is obtained from the seed leaves, while in stage Y, food is obtained from the, what do you call that? The leaves, right? The leaves. Okay? Simple. Now is this, can you see the writing? Typing can, Is it too faint? No. Let me see darker one. Okay, let's choose a darker color. I think this is better. Can? Right, so clear cut, straightforward. Let me sit this way. I don't see. Okay, so clear cut, straightforward. Nothing much to go through. The idea here is about germination, right? Germination. So in germination, which part of the seed, the plant, which part comes out first? Can you see over here? You can see over there. Which part comes out first? Yeah, the root. Right. I think I explained this before. Why is it that the root comes out first?
So it can be sturdy.
Yeah, it'll be sturdy. If not, it will fall down, right? Okay, next one. Oh yeah, by the way, even though now it's just a cell, right? But then as we go along, I think there's like somebody who's interested to join, but I don't know what happened to him, right? I don't know what happened to him, right? So maybe there might be more people coming. Okay, next. Let's take a look at this one. So John put some wet cotton wool into the 2 glass jars and he placed some seeds on the cotton wool in each jar. Right? He covered one with a black bag as shown. So what was John trying to find out? What do you think is the answer?
If the black bag affects the growth of affects germination.
Very good, right? So if you look at the plant cycle, it's actually the germination cycle. Right? Germination of plant, right? Germination. Alright, so what's required for germination? What's required for germination?
And water.
Yeah, very good, right? So let's just type here. So what was John trying to find out? So John was trying to find out if light affects germination. Okay. Great. Simple, because one of them is covered, the other is not covered. Okay, next. Where's my next page? Yeah. So next slide. Okay, state one another variable that John must keep in his experiment. Because you want to find out light. So what else is not being stated in the experiment?
The amount of holes.
The amount of what?
Holes.
Holes. The number of holes, is it? Lid with holes. Yeah, very good. That's one possibility. So the number of holes in the lid. Okay, why? Because that affects the amount of air. Right? Because air also affects germination. Next. Done. It's so troublesome, every time I click done. Okay. Okay, so next, this is, what do you think this is about? Dispersal. Okay, so from the diagram, which type of plant, RS or T, is most likely to be dispersed by splitting? Splitting. And explain why.
S.
Very good. You got it correct. Why? S.
This is close to the parent plant.
Close to the parent plant. The what is close?
The rest of
Offspring. Right? Are close to the parent plant. Easy? Oh, I like typing here. You can see also. Okay, the offsprings are close to the parent plant. Okay? So only in splitting action you get the parents, the offspring close to the parent plant. So next we have a verified view of a fruit. What do we call this? Hook-like structures, right? You got hook-like structures. So question: which type of plant RST is this fruit from? Okay, so we're gonna look at RST. Is it RS or T? This one hook-like. What do you think the hooks do? Hook onto what?
animal.
Yeah, the fur, right? So which one? RST shows that they are being hooked onto. Huh? Sorry? R. Very good. Why? It's correct. Why?
Not near the. It can't be because it's not near the sea.
It's random, correct? And it's not, okay, yeah, correct. It's not near the sea. It's random, and it's not near the parent plant. So let's write it out. So plant R. Oops. What? The offspring are not near the sea and not near the parent plant. They are randomly spread as they have, okay, it's a bit long, hook like structures that bring on fur. Okay? Right? Okay, I apologize for the capital. Don't write capital, I don't know why it's like this. Okay? Some program error. Right, so it's the hook-like structures. So explain how it's dispersed. So because they have hook-like structures that cling on to the animal's fur, so the animals will be the one that disperse them. Okay? Next. So next one. So far you see that this chapter is all about the plant reproduction. So you have dispersal, germination, all that stuff, right? Next, so Hayati took a walk in the park. She noticed a plant growing on a high branch of tree. So it's most likely like a bird nest fern. So what's one advantage plant X will have by growing high up? It has to grow high up. Why do plants need to be high up? High up so they can reach what? Very good, right? So being high up allows it to reach more sunlight. So what if it has more sunlight? So that it can photosynthesis and synthesize. How to spell photosynthesize? S-E. And make food for itself. Done. Okay? Easy peasy. Next one. So which method of dispersal could have helped the plant to land on the high branch? So before that you gotta understand bird nest fern. How is bird nest fern dispersed? Bird nest fern. Right, so this is a picture of bird nest fern. Okay, how do I zoom? Yeah. Bird nest fern. Now there's something inside there, right? Ferns, how are ferns being dispersed? Spores. Okay, so ferns are dispersed by spores. Now you can't really see the spores here, but they're actually underneath. They're underneath the leaves, right? Let me show you. Okay, how do I go back here? Bird nest fern spores. Okay, see the spores? The spores are usually underside the leaves. Can you see? Is it glaring? No. So the underside leaf. Now since they have so many spores, which method of dispersal could I help? How are the spores being dispersed? In this case? Wind, very good. Right? So which method is wind dispersal? So let's see how to phrase the answer, right? Which method of dispersal can help the plant to land? Wind dispersal helped the spores to land on the high branch of the tree. Okay? Simple? High branch. Right? So because the spores are tiny, they're really tiny, tiny little spores that helps it to fly. When the wind blows, it just flies away. Right? Do you go and watch the RSF? That's why you're hearing all this aircraft sound. In case you didn't know. Okay, next page. Okay. Next, we have the life cycle of a flowering plant. Besides seed dispersal, name two other processes that happen at Q. How come adult plant will... Okay, so there's also seed dispersal, you know, so it has to grow up as well, right? The fruits, there must be fruits before you get seeds, right? But how do you get fruits in the first place?
Pollination and fertilization.
Very good, right? So 2 more, so we're gonna list them. First one is pollination, and the next one is fertilization. Right, pollination, fertilization. Great. You see, at the end of this course, you're going to be an expert in science because you go through so many questions. Next one. Okay, which setup would the seed germinate after a week? Explain your answer. 1 week's time. So remember what are the 3 things that plants need for germination? Air, water, warmth, right? So we want to find out which one has got air, water and warmth. We can do some elimination. Z? Yep, so there's okay, see I can draw as well. Okay, so Z has water. Okay, never mind, I don't want this. Okay, so Z has water, right? Warm. Yep, that's warm. Air, yes, very good. So Z. So explain. Because setup Z contains air, water and warmth. Stop. Okay, so next. So it's going really fast. Okay, Ben set up another experiment. He used 2 containers X and Y as shown. So the seeds in one of the containers germinated, whereas based on experiment, which container did the seeds germinate? Is it the one in X or in Y? Correct. Very good. How come? It's X. Why?
Because of the oil.
Yeah, what about the oil? Layer of oil prevents what? No.
Water from evaporating.
So? But got a lot of water, there's a lot of water here. But okay, there's, remember air, water, warmth, right? Do you have water? Yes. Do you have warmth? Yes. Do you have air? No. So therefore container Y does not have air. But then container X has got all 3, right? So what we say is container Y has a layer of oil which prevents the seeds from coming into contact with air, hence they cannot germinate, whereas the seeds, can you see? In container X has air, water and warmth. Okay, that's it. Right, so we just state the difference. Is it glaring? Which one? How about if I were to put it, wait, I change direction. Okay, wait, never mind. Let's try to put nearer. I guess Is it better? Better? Still dark, you know, still a bit good. Okay, but the key thing is I need you to understand. Like you understand what's going on. It's more important. Okay, and I need to bring a charger later. Okay, next. Okay, so the map shows the number of wild plants X and Y on a piece of land. So many small birds feed on the fruits from plants X and Y. Which of the following is likely to be the fruit of plant X? Okay, what's plant X? Where's plant X? X is the circle. So the circles are random, right? A little random. Yeah, which one do you think it is? Is it the small seed? The fruit of plant X. Is it a small seed or the large seed?
The large one?
No, I think it should be the small one. Small one. Because they are being carried further away. Right? They're being carried further away. So they went further away, see? Right? So it has to be the smaller seed. So our answer should be just here. Right? I mean we put a tick here. Yes, try and put a tick. Tick here. Okay? So why is that so? So this plant, it has smaller seeds, which means the animals can carry it further, as shown by the black circles. Okay, so the black circle shows that the seeds are being carried further. Okay? Okay, next. Okay, maybe this one you try. You take a look first. Let me try and readjust this thing.